what's going on? It's your girl Mary and this is my channel Brown Queendom, and today's video is going to be a natural hair video. I have my lovely knee high here because I've officially reached about day, it's either 5 or 6. I want to say this might be 6 of a twist out that I've been rocking in my hair. I slept on it last night. Keep it 100 with y'all. I am not that natural that tie my hair up every night or always have on a satin bonnet or whatever. It's not me. I do wear my bonnet. It's just when I'm too tired and I forget or I just fall asleep, it happens. I do, however, have my satin pillowcase from Eden Body Works, from the Lavender Aloe collection. I do have that, and so that saves me most nights. Honestly, it just didn't happen last night. I'm not trying to make an excuse because I don't need one. You know why? Hold on. Because we have products. We have products that are going to help us out. We have products that are going to take care of this dryness that I'm experiencing. So my pillowcase took all my moisture. It didn't take it all, but I just feel like I could use a refresher right now. There is still some there, but not enough to where I would feel comfortable enough to use my brush on my hair right now. That's, if that makes sense to anybody. So I'm going ahead and put this around my, we're gonna get started. I want to just jump right in. So it's supposed to be quick. I look busted, I'm crusty. I want to go from this to, and then I'll be back. If I remember to film, I'll be back with the after. So, but I'm gonna go from this to this. So I have here my peppermint tea tree oil here, and then I also my lavender aloe moisturizing leave-in conditioner, daylight to natural light. So I'm hoping this is gonna pick up the way I need it to. Come on now. Next I have the lavender aloe hydrating refresher, and that's what that is giving. First we're gonna go in with a little bit. Look at how cute this travel size, by the way. This travel size, and I've gotten a few uses out of this. Look how much let me tell y'all real fast, because I said I wanted to keep this short and sweet, but I'm gonna work and talk. I tried this on myself, used it on my hair, used it on Angel's hair, and did I use it on Raina's? I might have even, I either used it on myself twice and then Angel, or I've used it on all 3 of us. I don't remember if I used this one or if I tried a different one for Raina, but here we go. I'm gonna go in with just a little bit because this really goes a long way. Focus, please. There we go. So this goes a long way, so I'm gonna do 2 of those. I really want to focus on wherever I'm gonna have the brush, which is back here. And I just want to kind of smooth it out. I've been pretty good and successful at not having to go reach for a gel, so I want to keep that up. So that's why I reach for just a soft brush in this moisturizing leave-in conditioner. I'm gonna go in with a little bit more because I completely ignored and neglected my sides, the size of my hair. So let me do that real quick. Can't forget about it. No strand left behind, you hear me? So this is for this, that is for that. Next, I have the refresher, but I want to go in with this oil first, the peppermint tea tree. The good thing about this squirter is it really reaches my scalp. Sometimes I might have to separate the strands because, you know, the thickness, but it does what it needs to do. She understands the job and gets it done. Alright, let me get up in there. Yeah, that It feels so good already. If y'all didn't know, tea tree is really good for the scalp, and so is peppermint. Oh wow. So is peppermint. Back in my DIY days when I was first getting started out, I took it upon myself to I really wanted to learn which ingredients were good for my hair, because I was sick of buying products that didn't work for me. So I was like, I'm gonna start reading the ingredients, but first I need to learn what the heck these ingredients mean, and you know what to look for. And ended up just going the DIY route and taking it seriously, and I really got into essential oils and experimenting with a lot of different oils actually, and tea tree was one of the ones that I used on my hair and in my little diffuser thing here because of the antifungal properties, if I'm not mistaken. And whenever my hair was struggling with breakage, I was definitely reaching for shampoos and conditioners with tea tree in it as well. Same for peppermint. And I'm gonna just spritz it. I was torn between this and a hair tonic, but oh my goodness, this smells so amazing. You really can't go wrong with either or, in my opinion. So I'm gonna spritz, spritz, spritz. Oh, look at that. I already feel, oh yeah, that definitely did the job. Just add a little bit more back here on the sides, because I want to make sure that I'm gonna need it today. So I'm just gonna brush. I hope y'all can see. I'm brushing it and smoothing it, because I want to make sure that the knee high doesn't get caught in any snags. Not too much, because I don't need it to be too smooth. Honestly, with my hair, if it gets too smooth, then it completely it makes it harder. I'll say that. It doesn't ruin it, it just makes it harder for me to get the knee high without. There we go. I almost did it just then, trying to talk and do this at the same time. Alright, so choose to do so, you can pick it out and adjust, because I hate when it's too tight. The beauty of this knee high is it gives you a lot of control. A lot of control, more so than a headband. Well, at least for me, in my case. So yeah, it's hard to see what this looks like in the viewfinder. So I'm going to go jump in the mirror and I'll be right back. Okay. Focus, focus, focus. All right, so first of all, get into how moisturized my hair got from that. You know what? This isn't doing justice. Let me grab my other light. So, took my braids out. And the definition isn't gonna be all the way there right now, because of course I just put everything on it. But I am thinking I'm gonna leave it and I'm gonna put this up and leave some of this down, especially if I'm not gonna really sleek this down and just go for a regular natural looking puff, which, if you know me, are my faves. I don't need my stuff to be slicked down all the time, although I will agree, when I do my makeup, it gives a different vibe. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really love this. This is actually very simple and very cute. So, and like I said, this is like day 5 hair. So I will also link the other products that I used for when I originally twisted my hair so that y'all can see I don't have a lot of flakes going on. That's all I wanted to say. And once again, thank you so much for watching this video. If you made it this far, if you made it to the end, I want to get to know y'all, and I want y'all to get to know me. So maybe we can meet in the comments. If you made it this far, drop down in the comments and let me know where you're from. Something real quick, something simple, and let's get to talking. Let me know, are you a puff girl? Do you use puffs as a last resort, or what? Are you like a puff everyday type of girl, if you could? I am not gonna lie, I feel like I am somewhere in between. I love it. I feel like it's actually top tier for hairstyles because it really takes you from like kind of bummy to like and it's like not even to say that day 6 hair is bummy, but y'all, I feel like, you know, if you saw the beginning of the video, you know what I mean. Like, it just takes you from one place to another place effortlessly, and all I did was put my hair up and threw some braids up here. I don't know. I'm ranting, and now this was supposed to be quick, so I'm gonna go ahead and jump off of here. But like I said, if you made it this far, drop down in the comments and let me know where you're from. If you in Florida, shout out to you. And if not, then I am looking forward to getting to know you a little bit